Welcome to another priceless video. Welcome to Art of Wheels.
So, do you like the great Rally Escort Mk1s? Then please click on the like button and select thumbs up. Hello classic car fans, here's another moving piece of artwork, classic car art. Okay, this one's for all you Rally Escort fans. It features several memorable Escort Mk1s, including the RS 1600 FEV1H that took part in the London to Mexico rally in 1970. Here we see the an RS 1600 in the East African Safari Rally 1972. And this picture features another RS 1600 Calabria taking part in the ROC Rally in 1974. And finally we have the SO Uniflow in the ROC Rally in 1972. Okay, if you'd like to find out more about this mechanical masterpiece or other such items, please check out the description. Click on the link in the description and you'll be able to find out more. Please check out these great videos, and if your video's not included in this list, don't worry, I might add it to a future one. Please feel free to pop by at my art prints and collectibles gallery at artofwheels.co.uk.
Oh no, I'm afraid we've run out of time, but just before you go, please leave thumbs up below. And if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this, subscribe to the channel
by clicking on the icon up in the sky at Art of Wheels TV.